What is up, guys? It is new rod and reel day here in the tackle room. I got a brand new 7-foot medium action Castaway Invicta 2 spinning rod, and I've got a brand new Lew's Mach 1 speed spin reel. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to put this combo together, and also we're going to spool it with fishing line. This is 20-pound braid, but at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to put braid and monofilament together. I'll have it linked at the end. So let's get on into this video. Alright, so this is the reel seat right here, and the first thing you want to do is back this nut all the way out. I mean, it can slide up and down, it's not going to hurt anything. Next, get your reel and go to the bottom side of it, and then we'll bring our nut back down, and you want to tighten it up nice and snug. We don't want a whole lot of play in there, we want it pretty tight. So just like that, it ain't going nowhere. Alright, that part's done. Now to spool it with some line. Alright, so putting this line on is pretty simple. First step, flip the bell open like this, and all you need to do is tie a couple granny knots. They're real simple to do. If you don't know how to tie a granny knot, comment below. I'll make a video on how to tie it. So look here. There's one knot, two knots. Sometimes if you do this right, you can pull it tight, and then the tag end will slip through, but it's not going to slip through on that, but that's okay. Now there's one part of the spool down here. I slip the line through just like that. Flip the bell back. Actually, I'm going to cut that extra slack real quick. So, get that out of the way. My good scissors are in my boat, of course. There we go. Flip the bell over and reel just a little bit just to get it started. Alright. Now, you want this spool laying flat somewhere or facing like this, because otherwise it'll twist. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang it on my pegboard over here and spool it up. Hold the line just a little tight, and just like this. That's it, guys. It's that simple. Like I said, the link to the other part of the video, splicing the braid to the monofilament, will be somewhere up here. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Y'all keep God first in your life. Hope you enjoy the tip. Get out there, catch some fish. See you in the next video.